how to add your streets on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your streets on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. Now click settings, click complete your profile and then scroll down until you find here this one street. Here is it. Just type here your street and then click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.